Hello everyone, welcome to Road Rules Academy. Today we are discussing the 10 top road signs every driver should know in USA and their explanation to stay safe and confident on the road. Let's get started. Slow moving vehicles. When you see this sign, you must be prepared to adjust your speed or position when you see a vehicle with one of these signs. Slow moving vehicles. In electric arrow panels, we have caution. When you see this sign, a low panel displaying either of the caution to the far right indicates there is a walk area ahead to the next travel lane. Driving with extra caution. Move or merge left. Large electronic flashing allow move merge left press in the roadway mounted on vehicles advise approaching motorists of lane closures. Begin a merge well in advance of the sign. Move or merge right. In a low panel displaying either of the caution to the far right indicates there is a walk area ahead next to the travel lane. Drive with extra caution. Interstate numbering system. A code is used to show if the route travel mainly east and west or north and south, and show if the route is in the east, middle or west United States. Regulatory sign, which is wrong way. Wrong way signs are placed further down one-way street or ramp. They are placed there to catch your attention if you accidentally turn on the street or ramp. Toll road sign. Toll road sign. This symbol indicates that a toll road sign is ahead and be prepared to pay a fixed charge or relax for using the toll road. Speed limit. Your safety may be dependent upon driving slower than the posted speed under poor conditions. Yield. When you see this sign, you must slow down and check for traffic and give the right of way to pedestrians and approaching cross traffic. You stop when it is necessary. Curve. The road ahead curve first is one direction and then back in the other direction. Slow down and prepare to navigate through the set of curves. Now that you know these important road signs, you will one step closer to being a safe driver. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips.